Hello students, welcome to my class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is multiplication. So do you know what the multiplication means? Multiplication means repeated addition. Okay, the multiplication means what? Multiplication means repeated addition. So here we will get two things, that is what? Product and factor. Suppose factor is what? Multiplication. So this is what? Multiplication. So what the multiplication means? Multiplication means repeated addition. So here I will get two things, that is product and factors. Okay. So suppose 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 10. So these two numbers 2 and 5 are the what? Here what? 2 and 5 are the factor of what? 10. Okay. Okay, so here these two numbers are what? Factor, and this is what? This is the product. So we can say 10 is the product of 2 and 5. Okay, so like you suppose what? 3 into 9. So if we write 3 9s are what? 3 9s are 27. So 3 and 9 are the factor of 27, and 27 is the product of 3 and 9. So like this we can say. So that means what? So every number, so while doing multiplication, suppose 3 into 9 equals to what? 27, 4 into 6 equals to what? 24. So these numbers are present on the what? Left side, and these are on the right side. Here you see 1 equals to sign is given. Okay. So these two numbers and these two numbers means the number which will present on the left side. So these numbers are the factors, and the number which is present on the right side, that will be the what? That will be the product, or you can say multiple also. So now moving towards the exercise, that is 7a. So exercise 7a. Repeatedly I am saying that the only thing what, if you do not memorize the table, you won't be able to do this thing. So I request you all to memorize all the tables properly, at least up to 15. So here you see. So let us write down the first question. Fill in to show that multiplication is a repeated addition. Fill in to show that multiplication is repeated addition. So what do you have to do? Suppose the first question, let me write down the first question. Suppose A, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Suppose this is the question. Okay, so if we add, so how many 6 are there? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 4 6 are there. Okay, so sorry, one more will be there. That means 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 are there. So 5 6 equal to what? If we add 6 plus 6 what? 12. Then what? Another 6, 18. 18 plus 6 what? 24. 24 plus 6 what? 30. You will get here what? 30. So how many 6 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 are there. That means here you have to write 5 multiplied by what? 6 equals to what? 30. Okay. So this is what? So the question is what? Fill in to show that multiplication is a repeated addition. So here you see how many times we have added 6. That means what? 5 times we have added 6. So here we will get 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. So if we add 5 6, we will get 30. The same way, if we multiply 5 into 6, we will get what? 30. Okay. So the next question you see. 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals to dash into dash equals to. So as it is known to us all, if we add 3, How many 8 are there? 8, 8, 8. That means 3 8 are there. So if we add this 3 number, we will get what? 24. Okay. So you have to write here what? 24. Now see how many 8 are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 8 are there. That is why we have to 1, 2, 3. How many 8 are there? 3 8. That is why we have to write here 3 and here we will write what? 8. So 3 multiplied by 8 equals to what? 24. Now see, okay, 4 multiplied by 5 equals to dash. Equals to dash. So here you see 4 into 5, 4 5s are what? 4 5s are 20. You will write here what? 20. So how many 5 are there? Here we will get what? How many 5? 4 5 we will get. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so 4 5 are there. So the answer will be what? 20. So if we add 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, we will get here 20. So that is why I have written here, that is why we have got here what? 4 5 are there. So we have written here what? 4 5. So the result of 4 5 is what? 20. If we add 4 5 together, we will get what? 20. If we multiply 4 into 5, we will get what? 20. So the next one you see, D. Three into 9. Okay, so as it is known to us all, 3 9s are what? 3 9s are 27. So here we will get 3 9. Okay, so 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals to what? 27. Here if we multiply 3 into 9, we will get 27. If we add 9 3 times, we will get what? 27. So now moving towards the next question. That is fill in. Number A, 4 into 5 equals to 5 into dash. So here you see, so as it is no, so 4 5s are what? 4 5s are 20. That means this side also, this is the left side and this is the what? Right side. So that side must be also equals to what? 20. Okay, that side must be also 20. So if we multiply 4 into 5, we will get 20. So here what? 5 is there. So 5 into 4 equals to what? 20. If we divide this 20, so 4 5s are what? 20 or not? If we divide this 20 by, if we divide 20 by this 5, so we will get what? 4. That means the result will be 4. Here you see, one number is missing. Here 4 and 5 are there. That means here also must be 5 and here also must be 4 and 5. So here one number is given. This number is given here. So which number is not given? So 4. So simply we have to write there 4. So now you see both the sides are equal. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. So next one you see, 9 into 8 equals to dash into 9. So here you see 9 8s are what? 72. So here only what? Which number is there? Which digit is there? 9. So which number is missing here? 8. So here you see 2 digits are there, that is 9 and 8. So we have to put a digit here so that the result of both the side becomes equal. So if we write here 8, so 9 8s are what? 72. Now both the side will become what? Equal. Okay, so the next one you see, so as it is known to us all, if we multiply any number by 0, the result will be what? The result will be 0. So here you have to write what? 0. Now again fill in. Two multiplied by dash equals to what? 12. So here you see the product is what? 12. So you have to multiply 2 with a number so that we may get what? We may get 12. So now you can follow here two multiplication tables. So 2 6s are 12. The same way, if we divide this 12, suppose here you see, here to get 12, here you get what? 2. So if we divide this 12 by 2, we will get the result. So if we divide this 12 by 12, we will get what? 6. So you simply have to write here what? 6. 2 6s are 12. Suppose here 12 or not. So if we divide this number by 2, 2 6s are what? 12. So you have to write this 6 here. So we will get the answer. So next one you see. Dash multiplied by 3 equals to 24. Here you see, one number is missing. So two factors are there, yes or no, and this is the product. So here we have to find out the another factor. So what we have to do, if we divide this 24 by 3, we will get the result, or simply we can follow 3 multiplication table. If we follow 3 multiplication table, we will get here what? 8. So 3 8s are 24. Another thing we can do is what? We can divide this 24 by 3. So if we divide this 24 by 3, we will get 8. 3 8s are what? 24, 0. So we got what? 8 here. So you have to write here 8. 3 8s are 24. Now 6 into dash equal to 30. Here you see, so one factor we have got here, that is 6. So if we divide this 30 by 6, we will get the result. So or we can follow 6 multiplication table. If we follow 6 multiplication table, we will get what? 5. We will get 6 5s are 30. So what we have to do? We have to write here 5. So here this exercise is finished. So now moving towards the next exercise, that is exercise 7b. Exercise 7b. So do this sum. Number 1, a 12 multiplied by what? 4. So like earlier, here this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So at first what we have to do? At first we have to multiply the ones place. So in case of one place, we will get 2 digit here, that is 4 and 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 8. That means we have to write here 8 in ones place. Now what we have to do? 4 into which place? Now if we hide this one, so we will get 4 and 1. So now 4 into ones place. That means what? We have to multiply this to 4 into tens place. So in tens place, which digit is there? 1. So 4 ones are what? 4 ones are 4. That means this 4 will comes in which place? Tens place. So now next one. 13 multiplied by 3. So here, so like earlier, this one will be what? Ones place and this one will be tens place. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. At first we have to multiply which place? Ones place. In the ones place, 2 digits are there, that is 3 and 3. So in ones place, 2 digits are there, that is what? 3 multiplied by 3. So what we have to do? So if we multiply this 2 digit, we will get what? 9. So 3 threes are what? 9. We have to write here 9 in ones place. Now tens place, 3 into tens place. So in tens place, which 2 digits are there? 3 and 1. 3 into 1 equals to what? 3. This 3 will comes in which place? Tens place. So the result is what? 39. Now 2a. Okay. 12 multiplied by what? 5. This is the ones place and this is the tens place. So what we have to do, at first we have to multiply which place? Ones place. In ones place 2 digits are there, that is 5 and 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 10. So here again 5 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 10. So this here, this 0 comes in ones place and this 1 comes in tens place. So we are going to write this 0 in ones place. This 1 will comes to which place? Tens place. Now in 10 place again we will get 2 digit. That is which 2 digit? 5. We have to multiply 10 place by what? 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 equals to what? 5 plus 1 equals to what? 6. So we will get here what? We will get 6 here. That is 60. Now to F. 27 multiplied by 3. So here this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So we have to multiply ones place at first. So 3 into ones place, that is 3 into 7 equals to what? 21. This one will be in which place? Ones place. Okay, and this t. So this number will comes to which place? Tens place. So here next one is what? Tens place we have to multiply. That is 3 into 2. Okay, equal to what? 6 plus this 2. 8. So that means we have got here what? 8. So 8 will comes to which place? Tens place. That is 8. The answer is 81. Now question number 3a. 64 multiplied by 2. So like earlier, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So we have to multiply ones place at first. Okay. So in ones place we will get 2 into what? 4. So 2 fours are what? 8. So this 8 will comes to ones place. Now we have to multiply 2 into tens place. In tens place which digit is there? So in tens place the digit is 6. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. So 2 6 are what? 12. So this is the what? Ones place. Okay. So this is the tens place and this 1 will comes to 100 place. So here we have to write what? 64, 6 to the 12. So here we will get 2 and this 1 will comes to which place? 100 place. So the answer is 128. So now the next question is C. (35) multiplied by 3 ones tens. So what we have to do? We have to multiply ones place at first. That means in one place we will get 3 and 5. So 3 5s are what? 15. This 5 will comes to which place? Ones place. And this 1 will comes to tens place. So next we have to multiply tens place. That means what? 3 into tens place. That means 3 into 3 equals to what? 9 plus 1. That is what? We will get what? 10. This 0 will comes to 10 place. Sorry. 3 5s are what? 3 5s are 15. Okay. So this 5 will come here. Now we have to multiply tens place. That is 3 into 3 equals to what? 9 plus 1 what? 10. So this 0 will come here and this 1 will comes to which place? 100 place. That means the result is 105. do this sum in your notebook. So from here you will get the first question, that is 14 into 4, 14 multiplied by 4. So at first you have to arrange, then we have to multiply. Okay, so we'll write here 14 multiplied by what? 4. So at first you have to multiply this 2 digit, there is 4 multiplied by 4 into which place? 4 into 1's place. So 4 4s are 16. We will write here 6, 1 will be in my, and 1 will comes to which place? 10's place. Okay, so 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. So the answer is what? 50. Sorry, the answer is 56. Okay, so the next one is what? C. 16 multiplied by 7. So what we have to do? At first we have to write here 16, then we have to multiply 16 by what? 7. So this is ones, this is tens. So 7 6 are what? 7 6 are 42. At first we have to multiply these two digits, 7 and 6. So 7 6 are what? 42. So from this 42 we are going to write here to this 4 will comes to tens place. So 7 ones are 7 plus 4 11. So that means the answer is 112. So here this exercise is also finished. Now moving towards the next exercise, that is 7C. First question. You see, so let me read the question. A chessboard has 8 rows of 8 squares each. So how many square does it have? So that means what? Both the side will get 8 rows and 8 squares. So what we have to do? We have to by adding also we can do, but it will take more time. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 8 by 8. Okay. So in both the side we will get 8. So 8 into what? 8. So 8 8s are what? 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are what? 64. So the answer is what? The answer is 64. So we can write therefore 64 square it have in all. Now question number 2. Okay, so a toy needs 3 batteries. So how many batteries are needed for 6 toys? So earlier the number of so in case of if one toy need 3 batteries, that means 6 toy needs what? More number of batteries. So if the number increase, that means we have to multiply. Okay, so what we have to do? Which two number we have to multiply? That is 6 and 3. Okay. What will get? So if we multiply, so you can follow, either you can follow 3 multiplication table or you can follow 6 multiplication table. So 3 6 are what? 3 6 are 18. So here I will get 18. That means what? Therefore we can write 18 batteries are needed for 6 toys. Okay, so next question number 3. So next one is what? Team from 9 schools took part in a quiz contest. Each team had 4 members. How many children took part in the contest? So we have to find out the total number of children took part in the contest. Okay, so that means what? 9 schools sent their members. Okay, 9 schools sent their team, and from each team we will get what? 4 members. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 9 and 4. If we multiply these two numbers, we will get the total number of children took part in the contest. So what we have to do? 9 multiplied by what? 4. So that means what? So here we'll get what? We'll get 2 digits, that is 9 and 4. So we can follow, either you can follow 4 multiplication table or you can follow 9 multiplication table. So if we, any table you can follow, no problem, from these 2 digits. So 9 4s are what? 36. 9 4s are 36. So here 6 will comes to 1's place and 3 will comes to which place? 10's place. So the result is what? 36. So from that we can write, therefore 36 children took part in the contest. 36 children took part in the contest. Okay. So next one you see, question number 5. Do this sum in your notebook. Okay. From question number 5, we are going to solve only one question, that is E. 5E. So see, let's read the question. The calendar for a month has 4 rows. Okay, so we'll get 4 rows here. So each row has 7 days. Which month calendar is? That means if it is January, so what we have to do? We have to mention. We have to write the month. Okay, so each month has 4 rows. So if we multiply, and each row has 7 days, so that it is known to us 1 week equal to 7 days. So if we multiply rows and days, so we'll get the result. So here you see 4 multiplied by 7, that is what? 4 7s are what? 28. So therefore we can write, as it is known to us all, February has what? 28 days. So we can write the month is the month is February. So here this exercise is also over. Now we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 7D. So multiply. Question number 1, B. 2 1 3 multiplied by 2. So this is ones, this is tens, this is what? 100. So at first we have to multiply 2 into which place? 1's place. So forget about these two numbers, that is 2 and 1. So now you see we will find 2 digits here, that is 2 and 3. So we can follow either we can follow 2 multiplication table or 3, anyone we can follow from these 2 digits. Okay, so if we multiply these two numbers, 3 into 2 will get what? In one place 2 numbers are there, that is 2 into which place? 2 into 1 place, so equal to what? 6. So in one place we will get what? 6. Next you see 10th place. So in 10th place again we will get what? Again we have to multiply 2 into which place? 10th place. 2 into 1 equals to what? 2. So we have to write here what? 2. So next again we have to multiply 2 into which place? 100th place. So 2 into 2 equals to what? 4. So in 100th place which digit will come? 4. So the answer is what? 4 to 6. Now next question, C. 404 multiplied by 2 Okay, so this is the ones place, tens place, hundred place. So at first we are going to multiply the ones place. Okay, so 2 into ones place. So 2 into 4 equals to what? 8. So we have to write here 8. Now tens place. Now again what? 2 into which place? 2 into tens place. So it is known to us all. If we multiply any number by 0, we will get what? 0. So we have to write here 0. Next again 100 place we have to multiply 2 into which place? 100 place. In 100 place the digit is what? 4. 2 4s are what? 8. So we have to write here 8 in 100 place. So the answer is what? The answer is 808. Now question number 2a. 218 multiplied by 2. Okay, so ones, tens, 100. So like earlier we have to multiply ones place at first, then tens, then 100. Okay, so in one place we'll get 2 multiplied by what? 8. So 2 8s are what? 2 8s are 16. So from 16, 6 will comes to which place? Ones place. Okay, so 1 will be there for which place? Tens place. So now in 10th place which two digits are there? 2 and 1. 2 into 1 equal to what? 2 plus 1 equal to what? 3. Here in 10th place we will get what? 3. Now 100 place 2 digits are there is 2 and 2 equals to what? 2 multiplied by 2 equals to what? 4. So we have to write here what? 4. So the answer for this question is 436. Next B. 3 4 5 multiplied by what? 2. So ones, tens, 100. So at first which place? Ones place. So in one place we will get what? 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, equals to what? Let me write this. Ones, tens, 100. So here 2 multiplied by 5 equals to what? 10. So this 0 will comes in what? Ones place, and this 1 will be here for which place? For tens place. So now we have to multiply which place? Tens place. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to what? 8 plus 1 equals to what? 9. So we have to write here 9 in which place? Tens place. Now next 100 place we have to multiply which? So we'll get what? 2 multiplied by what? 3 equals to what? 6. So we'll get what? 6 here in which place? 100 place. The answer for this question is what? 690. Now question number 3a. 1 1 2 multiplied by 9. Okay, so ones, tens, 100. So like earlier, at first we will multiply which place? Ones place, then tens place, then 100 place. So in ones place 2 digits are there. That is which 2 digits? 9 and 2. Okay, so we have to multiply 9 into which place? Ones place. So 9 2s are what? 18. So we have to write here 8. This 1 will be there for which place? Tens place. So now again we have to multiply 9 into tens place. 9 ones are 9 plus what? 1 equals to what? 10. We have to write here 0. Again this 1 will comes to which place? 100 place. So next you see again 9 ones are 9 plus 1 equals to what? 10. So this 0 will come here in 100 place, and this 1 will come here in which place? 1000 place. So the answer for this question is 1008. So next question number B. 178 multiplied by 6. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, so this is the ones place. Ones, tens, 100. So in ones place 6 into 8 equals to what? 48. So we have to write here 8. 4 will be here for which place? Tens place. So now next 6 into which place? 6 into tens place. So 6 into 7 equal to what? 42 plus this 4 equals to what? 46. So we can write here, we have to write here 6. This 4 will be here for which place? 100 place. So in 100 place 6 into which? 6 into 100 place. That means 6 into 1, 6 equal to what? 6 plus 4 equals to what? 10. So 0 will come here in 100 place, 1 will come here in 1000 place. So the answer is 1068. So this is the answer, 1068. Next you see 4a, that is 214 multiplied by 3. So at first you have to arrange, then we have to multiply. Okay, so this is what? Ones, tens, 100. So at first we have to, like earlier, we have to multiply at first 100 place. So 3 into, sorry, 3, at first we have to multiply ones place. So 3 into ones place. So 3 fours are what? 3 fours are, if we multiply this 2 digit, we will get what? 12. So here we have to write 2. This 1 will be here for which place? Tens place. Now we have to multiply 3 into which place? Tens place. So 3 ones are what? 3 plus 1, that is what? 4. Next 3 twos are 6. So the answer of this question is what? 6, 4, 2. So for next question, there is question number B. 4, 2, 3 into 4. So we have to arrange this one. 4, 2, 3 multiplied by 4. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. So what we have to do? At first we have to multiply 4 into which place? Ones place. So in ones place the rate is what? 3 and 4. 4 threes are what? 4 threes are what? In ones place. So let's write this one. Let's ones 4 into what? 3 equals to what? 12. So we can write, we have to write here what? 2. This one will be here for which place? For tens place. So after multiplying, after getting the product of tenth place, we have to add this number, this 1. Okay. So in tens place we will get 2 digits. That is what? 4 multiplied by what? 2. That is what? 4 into what? 2 equals to what? 8 plus this 1 equals to what? 9. So we will get here what? We will get 9 in which place? Tens place. Now 100 place. Okay. That means in case of multiplication by this number, we have to multiply this 3-digit number. Okay. One by one. So next one is what? 4 into what? 4 into 4 equals to what? 16. So here 6 will comes in 100 place and 1 will be in which place? 1000 place. So the answer for this question is 1692. 1692. So today up to this much. Hope you have understood. So if you face any problem, you can write in the comment box. So thanks to all.